Hello guys and welcome back to my tech tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the issue of there is no sound playing on your PS4 TV. And yeah, so let's get started. So the first thing you guys can do is go to settings. From settings you're going to go to devices and then audio devices. Now if you want to hear something from the TV or basically the monitor, you're going to make sure that the output device is set to TV or AV amplifier, and it's not it doesn't say headphones or something, mic/headphones, whatever. Same with input device as well, make sure it's set to none, and obviously output device, make sure it's set to TV or AV amplifier. Now if this does not work, the second method you guys can do is simply turn your PS4 off. And once the PS4 has been completely turned off, what you're going to do is you're going to unplug all the wires out of your PS4. You're going to wait about 15 to 20 minutes. You're just going to wait, do something else in that time, whatever, and then you're going to replug the wires back in. You're going to turn the PS4 back on, and then you're going to check to see if the problem has been solved. And yeah, and another thing you guys can do is, obviously this might just be something obvious, but just make sure that the TV monitor, the volume is set all the way up and it's not actually muted from there. And these can be solutions to your problem. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.